Yeah, if you don't mind the heat, and I mean, well, we've been used to the heat. Let's put it that way. Do we mind it? You heard Micah. Ugh. Nonetheless, though, 78 as you're waking up in Waco today, 75 in Temple and Killeen, 72 right now in Bryan. It's certainly a warm start. It's all because of those southerly, southeasterly winds. Yeah, they're bringing more moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. That's resulting in a little bit more cloud cover to start off your morning compared to what we've seen throughout much of this week. This stalled out system is sitting right over West Texas. We got Lubbock, Midland, San Angelo. Starting to see a little bit more shower and thunderstorms. A lot of that's going to try to move its way into our region. Will it though? No, it won't. Not for at least a number of days until that next big cold front comes through right off the Rocky Mountains. So to start off your day, about 76 degrees. Okay, not too terribly bad. Mostly cloudy skies, southerly winds about 10-15 miles an hour throughout much of today. By your lunch hour, barbecue, pizza, wherever you want to go to, about 86 degrees. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. By the afternoon, about 94. Okay, we can deal with the heat. We've dealt with it before. Do we like it, especially this late in the summer? I would certainly hope not, because I personally prefer heat index values to not be 100 degrees this late in September. But it's what we have. So we got those mid 90s for the actual highs, low triple digits, 101 for Waco, Temple, Georgetown, Marlin, 103 for College Station, 104 for Hearn, for Centerville. It's a pretty hot one today, and it's really from a lot of that humidity brought in right off the Gulf of Mexico. We're at the point where we're in between very humid and downright oppressive going into our Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. A lot of that, again, is all that moisture coming right off the Gulf of Mexico, helping to fuel some of these showers and storms. The more humid it is, well, the more likely we are to see some rain once this system comes through. Until then, though, well, we're back with mostly clear skies for tonight. About 10 degrees above average for our lows, about 75. It's still going to be decently muggy. Your glasses will likely fog up as you head out the door on your early morning commute. All right, throughout the day today, I have basically nothing other than that cloud cover and a little bit of that wind. Same for your overnight tonight into your Friday morning. By your Friday afternoon, a little bit of activity trying to sneak its way in from the northwest. It basically falls apart before it makes its way through. On Saturday, though, so we start to see a little bit of change happening Saturday overnight. Possibility of at least some isolated showers, maybe some thunderstorms trying to push their way through. You know what? Here's some superstitions to start off your Thursday. If you wash your car, it will typically rain the next day. I have in the forecast, it's the next 3 days should be good to wash your car. But hey, if we all wash our cars at once, maybe it'll rain. That's how it works, right? All right, add the wax. Yeah, go for it. Just because you want to make sure that that water just drips right back off. Hey, fall begins on Saturday. What are our conditions going to be looking like? 97 and mostly sunny. That's a summer forecast. That's not a fall forecast. All right, but here's your next 7 days. It's still going to be like the summer until we go into early next week. Lots of cloud cover, lots of humidity, heat index values probably staying in the triple digits. No heat warnings, nothing like that. Still hot, but we've dealt with that before. All right, low 90s, possible return of those upper 60s for the lows going into early next week. Hey, I got rain in the forecast. That's looking promising. Not near as widespread as what we saw last week, which is really what we need, but it's certainly better than nothing.